architect Hardik Shah. Today the project we are going to show is our debut project, which gave us a lot of recognition. We were very lucky to get our first project of this scale, as the client was very enthusiastic, who trusted on our design ideas. His basic brief was a timeless house with a simple aesthetic and connection to nature. We reversed the structure on the street side and the garden to the rear scheme by setting the bungalow back beyond an elevated garden. Rather than a forbidding fortress-like compound wall, an interesting elevation involving Valsadic battens softened by cascade of creepers intrigue the passers-by. Beyond this is a ramp which takes you directly to the garden, and sandwiched between this slated outer boundaries wall and the retaining wall of the home with an intermediate concrete wall. The idea was to create a journey of sorts, a concentrated approach that finally released the visitors into the garden. Much of the relaxed ambience of the skewed house can be attributed to its substantial greenscape. The lawn has a sectional profile and has been inspired by the Ghats of Varanasi and Ujjain. The skewed house does away with excess in the form and materiality. Elevationally speaking, the facade projects and recess strategically with important areas such as master bedroom being emphasized through cantilevering and material play. The other access point, which is the normal main door, also uses the same strategy of construction and liberation via a small entrance lobby that shields the main living space from direct view. The spatial program of the villa and the zoning of the plot were also detected by a sudden floods that the city sometimes experiences. The ground level is devoted to aligned spaces connected to relaxation and unwinding like multipurpose room and jacuzzi. Atop this has the spiral of the living dining kitchen, a bedroom and the garden in the front. Close to the entrance is the double height puja tower, heralded by water spout and set within a water body. The house established strong connection to nature with the help of suitable fenestration. For instance, the L-shaped glass inset behind the puja tower invites the surrounding greenery in and connects the interior water body with the external lotus pond, rather than the all-white route that's currently the flavor for spaces. We decided to celebrate the joy, vibrance and romance associated with the divine cow herd, and therefore this pastoral setting created in the pitchwise style. The split level living dining area is extensive, with living part being sunken and the dining elevated. Opposite the living area is a sunken courtyard with more seating. These pockets of the seating with various configuration allow people more freedom to use the spaces as per their choice and comfort. Windows and louvers door facilitate sight lines that thread the inside and the outside into a visual whole. The client's request for connection from top to bottom, skylights, nature, and a play of light and shadow inform the spatial layout. An enormous Kalamkari inspired artwork in subtle grey graces the staircase wall and is one of the design highlights of this space. Upper floor is more like a private floor, consisting of a master bedroom and two daughter bedroom and a small library. The 9-foot cantilever of the master bedroom is outlined in glass to invite silver of sunlight and the sky into this space. For us, this house represents the forming up of several convocations, that each building is unique by way of its users, setting, function and more. That there is no substitute for nature, and that architecture can leverage the innate beauty of every material by creating the right balance between less and more.